Look, this girl was going to try out body scrubs in the shower and rate them. She tried the first sponge shaped like a hamburger and gave it 10 points. Secondly, she used the sponge shaped like ice cream and gave it 7 points. Third, she tried the watermelon ice cream and gave it 9 points. Fourth, she tried a foot-shaped sponge. It was really bad and she gave it 1 point. But first, this spider will be in your bed tonight if you don't like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds. Finally, she tried the wall-mounted body sponge, but it didn't stick either. Write in the comments how many points the girl gave.